your love and for this standing ovation. I'll be forever grateful to all of you. And it's been just 6 months I have delivered my baby, and that too through. It was through C-section, and I kept on telling the Chicago Post Committee that this year it couldn't be possible for me to come and be a part of a Sun convention.